Okay guys, so welcome back once again. So in our previous video, we were able to create the top section of our project. So we move on to the content. Now let's see how the contents look like. So we go to our software now. Okay, so this content should be something like this. So we need let's say something like a frame here to hold our widget. So I'll go with canvas instead of a frame for this one. So I'll just do canvas here. So canvas. So don't worry about the naming. This is actually the naming I'm using. So yeah. Then canvas being equal to. Then I'll pass in the base. Okay. Now I'll give it a width of. I think there's actually away from the. So it's away from it. So I'll give it maybe 1220. Then a height of, let's say, 55, then background of white. So I think it's white there, so you could go with FFF like this. Yeah, so we have our canvas in place there, so we can place it. So canvas dot place, then we can have an anchor being equal to, I'll give it a west, then rel s being equal to 0.1. Now let's go with 0.2, then rel y being equal to let's say 0.5. Yeah, then we can add let me first check it out before we move on. So I think this should be our main content. Okay, so let's check it out first. Okay, so it's coming down 2 and it's going to left. Okay, so I'll give it a 0.1 here. So 0.1, then the rel s should be something like 0.3. Okay, so let's go again and see what we have. Okay, there's also 2 down, so it goes 0.1. So hit it again, then I'll check it again. Okay, hey, this is too far. Okay, so I'll go with a 0.2. Then I think this should be okay. A 0.2 should be okay. Okay, 0.2 is also coming down. Let's see from our app. Okay, so it's too close, so we just have to push it to the top a bit, so something like half the length. So give it this, then I'll need to hit it again. Okay, so I think this is looking good. Yeah, so let's go a bit to the top. So I'll give it a 0.12. A 0.12 would be bad. Yeah, so close it. Okay, I think it's looking good. So we have our top section there. Then we can write the content there. So the copy and track file. Yeah, let me try and copy. Now I can copy. So I can just copy and track files version 1.0. So we can have a label there. So I won't, let's say, put this in a variable. I'll just do it straight, so that I don't want to create more variables. So I'll just do, since I want to be needed. So canvas, okay, let me send it to the next line. So same applies to this one too. So for easy readability and stuff. So come down. Okay, then we need to open our label and we start writing. So maybe we need the base, which is the canvas, that's the parent. Then we need the text being equal to copy. So copy and track files version, or we just do v, so v 1.0, Okay. So I think we have this in place now. So we have our text there, canvas there. I think we need the foreground to be blue since it's blue there. So blue. Okay, then we just place it to need a comma there, I think. So we just place it, or yeah, place it. Then we will need an anchor of center, then a rel x of 0.05, then a rel y of 0.5. Okay, so it's looking good. Now I think I will need to add a comment here, so maybe canvas title or something like content title. Okay, so looking good. So let's hit it, close this thing, and okay. But I think the background should be white, so we need to change it. So we go here. So bg being equal to white, so ff. Okay, so a comma should be here. Then we hit it again. So close this and let's see. Okay, I think it's looking good. So let's see. Yeah, it's looking good. So I think it's okay now. Now this is how far we can go for this video. In the next video we look at the content itself. So these stuff here, copy and track folders and stuff, how we can create them. Okay. So see you in the next video.